Today, we're cooking a grilled cheese sandwich. You will need the following ingredients. First, fresh sourdough bread from a local bakery. Second, fig jam, which will add a bit of sweetness to the sandwich. Third, from your local cheese store, Gruyere cheese. Fourth, caramelized onion cheddar cheese, and butter. The Gruyere cheese and the caramelized onion cheddar cheese have distinct flavors that we wanted to highlight, so we went with a jam that would not overpower those flavors, but add a layer to those flavors. Spread some fig jam on one side of your bread. Place a Gruyere cheese on the bread. Place the caramelized onion cheddar cheese on the bread. You'll want to pile up quite a bit of cheese on the bread as it flattens out once melted. Place the grilled cheese in the toaster oven. Once toasted, take the bread out of the toaster oven. Place one piece of bread on top of the other so that the cheesy sides face each other. Butter the top-facing piece of bread with a basting brush. Place the grilled cheese on a fry pan on medium heat. Butter the other side. Be careful not to use too much heat to burn the butter. Brown both sides, and once done, cut the bread in half. And that's how you make a crispy and crunchy grilled cheese sandwich. If you liked this video, please like below and subscribe to our channel.